So I was heading to the next beach, which was Old Bergen sea bath. But then I was passing through this wonderful neighborhood area. So I said, let's stop here as well, because this platform here looks really nice and the water looks clean as well. And I just had a bath like not so long ago, like 20 minutes ago, and I can see that spot over there where I did have in that area that was called Breivik, but this is called here Breivik, and I'm not sure if it's the same. But time for the second swim of the day here in Bergen. So now it is 12 o'clock, and since half an hour back, now the temperature has increased. Now it is 23 degrees in the air and feels like temperature of 19 degrees. So yes, these steps look really much nicer and more like the ones we have in Sweden. And this looks a lot better. Yes. All right, let's take another swim. The second one of the day and the third one so far on my weekend trip in Bergen. Yes, good. So as you can see, the steps are being attacked by seaweed that comes with the North Sea. But the water looks very clean. I can see the bottom and the temperature is quite okay. A bit warmer than the Baltic Sea, I think. All right, I'm out of steps again. So the last part we're going to land in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, amazing, absolutely fantastic. What a wonderful feeling to swim here in Bergen in the North Sea. I did not expect it to be this beautiful. The water is amazing and the views are also amazing. You see those small little houses on the hill throughout the whole coastline. It's beautiful. These people that live here with the fantastic sea view and access to the sea are so lucky. Indeed. All right, that's a wrap from this swim here from this neighborhood area Breiviken, and see you next time with another beach here in Bergen. See ya.